Linking Teachers with Technology. Welcome to a video with Madame McDonald.
When you use Google Sheets, there is a shortcut to select all the cells in your sheet. If you go all the way up to the top here, there's a rectangular box, and when you click on the rectangular box, it selects all the cells. Now that you've selected all the cells, you can format all the cells at the same time. So if I want to format all the rows to be thinner, all I need to do is click where you see the two arrows that are pointing away from each other, and I'm just going to drag them. And that makes all the rows thinner. Now, if I want to make all of the columns thinner as well, I just go in between 1 and 2 where those two arrows are going in opposite directions, and I can just click and I can drag it. And now I have these tiny little cells. And that is how you can format the cells all at the same time.
Merci beaucoup. Thanks for watching.